Hi, I'm Beata from horoscopesandreadings.com, and now I would like to share with you my 2 tips on where and how to date Capricorn man. When it comes to Capricorn man, I believe that this will be serious date. I hope you guys will not have a date in work. But this is very common with Capricorn man because we all know that this is ambitious man who likes to climb the ladder. So when it comes to place on a first date, I am convinced that this is Capricorn man who will take a lead, who will suggest you where to go, what to experience. But my strong perception here is that it will be date where you will be very much in privacy. It will be just the two of you, because Capricorn man is the man who needs time to open up, who needs time to get to know you better, so he will surely avoid some loud places. When it comes to how to communicate with Capricorn man, or eventually topics to discuss with this man, first of all, it's his work. Yes, this is the most important thing for him. So I would strongly advise you to talk about work, to talk about his career, his job. Just ask him, yes, how he's up to his work, what are his goals he must achieve in his work, and he will be impressed. Capricorn man is usually serious type of guy, so it will be up to you to cheer him up a little bit, because if you know him better, you will find out that he's actually guy who have a sense of humor. If you really want to impress Capricorn man, just tell him that you are doing your own taxes, okay? So I'm done with this quick advice. I hope it helps. If it does, you can subscribe to my channel, and I wish you a very nice day. Bye bye.